got another video. I'm bringing you guys a restoration video. And I know I said I wouldn't make this channel a restoration channel, but I guess I'm gonna have to at some point. But this is where we're gonna restore some Air Force Ones, pretty beat. Look at that right there, the paint is coming off. This is gonna give like a whole general cleaning and then try to see what I'm gonna do from there. So yeah, let's go straight into the video. First, what you're gonna need is some Angelus white paint, soap and water itself, a toothbrush, and just a couple paper towels. So let's go straight into it.
I tell a baby girl, just drop it, you know, show me what you working with. Haters talking crazy, but they never even heard a kid, murder kid. Whipping all these rappers like I'm hungry, yo, I had some rainy days and now my life is looking sunny, Circle smaller than a penny, want a superstar model chick, don't worry unless it's Fendi.
Alright, now I'm going to just try to paint that with the Angelus white paint. There's a bit of cracking going on too, so that's gonna take it off. Alright. What I got first, okay, get the Angelus white paint, and then you got the like the smallest one I got. There's like already a little, there's like a brush already on it, so put this a little bit on it.
She just went in, dog. You can hear me through this, right? You can hear me through this? Alright, cool. It's your boy Stripes. Yo, 20,000 feet up with 20,000 feet up, and everyone is lifted and no one can defeat us. Stacking bricks and making pyramids. Advancing through time, cause that's what I did.
Alright, that's right there. Now I just let that dry up a little bit. Yeah, what I do is after I use this, I sort of take it from the brush and just try to smooth it out so it goes around. And makes it look unnoticeable. So, yeah.
Chillin' in the burbs, right outside of Philly. We be getting silly at the same time, also illy, and we tryna make a million. We tryna keep the peace, tryna make a change with the words that we speak, with the things that we tweet, with the things that we do. Not worried about the past, cause tomorrow brand new. And living in the now, it's a blessing just to wake up, but y'all not seeing the light. Got your shades up, get your grades up, get your cake up, get your pay cut, then get your layup. Hold up, wait, I'm being rude. A broke through the joke, dude, that was never the move. See, I'm always on the move, cause I'm always making moves. I'm chillin' with the crew, then I'm right up in the student. After dealing with the stew, I'm probably chillin' with a dude. Then the cycle repeats, so that's yesterday's news.
Yo, I don't know where the hell this came from, but I think this came from inside of the shoe, yo. Right when I was wiping this, like just now. I don't know if the camera caught it, but like a motherfucker popped out. It's trying to focus. That piece of shit popped out. It hopped out of something. I don't know if it hopped out of there or like what. That bastard was just chilling. Yo, I don't even know where that came from. Yo, I'm about to kill this bitch right now.